Assalamu alaikum. I am going to introduce myself. My name is Kinu Shehzadi and I am from Islamabad. I have completed my MPhil from Rifa International University. I have 5 years teaching experience in different institutes. So today I will teach you exercise number 1.1, which is from the first year class of Federal Board. Before solving this exercise, we clear the concept of complex number related to this exercise. Okay, there are 4 basic steps. First one is complex number. Here I write our numbers x plus y iota, and now we put the value of x and y. You can put any value of x and y. So 2 plus 3 iota, z is equal to 2 plus 3 iota. Here 2 is a real part of this number and 3 iota, 3 is the imaginary part of this number. So the whole number is called the complex number. Z is equal to 2 plus 3 iota is a complex number. So the second step is this z is equal to 2 plus 3 iota. It take this number again, this one. So here 2 and 3, we will write it into order pair form. So 2 comma 3, z is equal to 2 comma 3 is the ordered pair form, and 2 is real and 3 is imaginary part of this ordered pair number, and this order cannot be changed because it is already in ordered form. Okay, so we cannot change these values. Okay, the third step is this iota. We represent I by iota. So here iota's k is equal to -1. We know that iota's k is equal to -1 because you already learn about iota's k is equal to -1 in your previous class. So here I write a polynomial equation, x square plus 1 is equal to 0. Now we want to find the value of x. So plus 1 we will shift on other side. So x square is equal to -1. Now we take under root on both sides. So square root and under root cancel out. Here we have x. X is equal to under root -1, and this is the value of iota. So iota is equal to under root -1. If we take the under root on both sides, square root and square cancel out, then we have a iota here is equal to under root -1. So the value of iota is equal to under root -1. Okay, the fourth step is conjugate. If we take a conjugate of any complex number, then how can we find the conjugate of any number? So we have a complex number z is equal to 2 plus 3 iota. 2 is a real number and real part, and 3 is an imaginary part of this complex number. So if we want to find the conjugate of this complex number, we represent conjugate by bar. Okay, here is the bar. So z conjugate is equal to, when we apply conjugate on both sides, the value of the value with iota, imaginary part, the sign of imaginary part we will change. Okay, if here is plus, then when we apply the conjugate, it becomes into minus. If it -3, then after applying the conjugate, it becomes plus. Okay, so here we have a plus sign with imaginary part, then it will change into minus. So the conjugate of z is equal to 2 minus 3 iota. Hope so you clear all the points. Now we will solve the exercise. Okay, the first question is this. Question number 1, we will relate the following. The part 1 is iota power of 331. So first we convert into the power of iota into even number. Here we write iota. You know very well what are the even numbers. The even numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6 and so on, and odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. So we write here iota square, in which number we will multiply by 2, then it becomes 30. It's mean we will divide 30 by 2, then the answer will be 15. Okay, so here iota square the whole power of 15, 1 iota is remaining, we will write here iota. We know that iota square is equal to -1, so we put the value of iota square here. Iota square is equal to -1 and the whole power is 15 into iota. Now here is another concept. If the power is odd of -1, then the sign will not be changed. Okay, we will write the same sign here. If the power is even of -1, then the sign will be changed. If it minus, then it become plus 1. So here we have a odd power, then it's mean my minus sign is as it is, and 1 power of 15. When we multiply 1 for 15 times, 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 and so on, the answer will always 1. Okay, so here the answer is 1. -1 into iota. When we multiply iota by 1 and the sign minus as it is, iota multiplied by 1 is equal to iota. This is the answer. Got it? Okay, now we will solve the question number 2, part 1. Question number 2 is write the following complex number in the form x plus iota y. X plus iota y is the standard form, okay, or general form. So part 1 is 3 plus 2 iota plus 2 plus 4 iota. First we remove the brackets. So here 3 plus 2 iota plus 2 plus 4 iota. Now we will add the real number into real number and the imaginary number into imaginary number. So the real numbers are 3 and 2. When we add 3 plus 2, then the answer is 5. Now plus the imaginary parts are 2 iota and 4 iota. 2 iota plus 4 iota, 2 plus 4 is equal to 6 and iota as it is. So this is the general form of this numbers. Here the answer. Okay, we will solve the remaining question in the next lecture. So see you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.